Okay, I got 3 mags of that shitty paint from last weekend. I took it home, stored it in my basement, which is pretty cold. I'm not sure the exact temperature, but I noticed after about 2-3 days, all the moisture in the bag was completely gone. I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing. So today when I opened the bag, I noticed that the paint isn't as greasy as it was last weekend either. So let's see how it fires. It was 1 full mag, no breaks. Let's try another mag. There's another mag, no brakes. I'm gonna get a little ballsy and try full auto. Either it's gonna work, or stay tuned for part 2 on how to clean a T15. Full mag worked, full auto. So that was 3 mags. They all worked, no barrel brakes, nothing. So that leads me to believe that they are not storing their paint correctly.